Hi, it's Jack
Giver.
Thanks for watching my channel. Please remember to click the like button and subscribe. What I want to share with you today is how to DIY a backyard pondless waterfall. There are several waterfall kits on the market. Probably more than 1,000 Canadian dollar. If I plan to do 16 feet long, 2 to 3 feet wide, probably need more than 2,000 Canadian dollar. Plus stone and wages, I estimate that will cost more than $8,000. And how did I do it for less than $1,000? Okay, without further ado, let's talk about how do I do it. The first is to choose a suitable site. Preferably outside the patio or windows. A place where you can appreciate and hear the sound of a waterfall. The soil should be easy to dig, with a slight slope. If you don't have one, you can build a ramp, with the soil dug from the pit. In addition, the location of the waterfall should be easy to connect to power and water. For the sake of safety, it is better to check whether there are cables, gas pipes and other dangerous things underground to avoid danger. Once you've chosen your location, measure the length and width of the creek and the capacity of the reservoir. In order to determine material specifications, such as waterfall pump, water storage tank and pond liner, etc. My plan is to dig about 80 gallons of reservoir. The stream is about 16 feet long and 2 to 3 feet wide. Materials and costs. Next, I will introduce the materials I use and the costs. The first is IKEA's lidded sorting box. $14.99 used to make the waterfall spillway. The next three pieces are 32-gallon trash cans that can be used as reservoir. $22.94 and two 26.95-gallon storage containers, $10.97. Waterfall pump from Amazon for $160.47. 210x 3-foot pond liner, $78. 1-inch pond rubber tubing, 20 feet, $28.10. 150 SQFT underlayment, $63.70. You can use a voice-controlled app to remotely control the switch for $29.99. 1-inch Uniseal 10 PCS, 56 cordobas and 89 centavos. Isolating foam, $11.99. PVC pipes, $18.98. Hole saw is set, $29.79. Stones at $405.58. The total above is $999.02 Canadian dollars, which is about $750 US. Purchasing stone. At the beginning of the project, one of the worries was where could I buy the stones I needed. Then I did a search on the internet for the keyword landscape. Rock Natural Stone can easily find several suppliers. And we know the specification name we need on the website. For example, Whistler Basalt Boulders. Finally, I decided to go to the nearest stone company. Come in and see it now. Stones of all kinds are placed here. Prices are calculated by weight. I picked out some Whistler Boulders stones that were easy to move, to be placed on the periphery of a stream. A few flat flagstones and a few bags of creek stones serve as creek beds. Dig out reservoir and staircase. The tools you need are a shovel, a level. It would be more convenient if you had a wheelbarrow. If you can wear a waist protector to prevent lumbar injury. The course of a stream does not follow a straight line. It's better to have a few staircase. The surface of the waterfall should be kept level and the depth of the pit should be just right. Keep the trash can flushed with the ground. Install pump and water pipes. In order to have the function of flow control and maintain in winter, another control line was added for easy removal of the pump. Added about 20 Canadian dollars. The materials required are PVC straight valve, one-inch PVC elbow, male adapter, hose clamp, and 1-inch adapter. Cut the length of PVC pipe according to the required depth. Use PVC cement to bond them together. Connect one end of the pipe to the pump. The other end is connected with a 1-inch adapter and clamped tightly. Make and install water basin. Start by locating the 1-inch hole saw head. Install on the electric drill, 2 to 3 inches below the edge of a 32-gallon trash can. Drill 2 holes about 5 inches apart. Smooth the rough edges with sandpaper. Snap on Uniseal pipe gasket. Drill a hole in the top as well. Let the water pipe and power line of the pump pass through. The other is about 3-4 inches at the bottom of 2 plastic storage containers. Also drill 1 hole each and install Uniseal pipe washer on 2 plastic storage bin lids. Drill some small holes with a small drill. Then lay small stones so the water can run in. Saw 2 pieces of PVC pipe about 10 inches long. Insert and connect 2 storage bins into the trash bin. Wrap the pump with a filter net and put it into the trash bin. Run the pipe and wire through the hole. Lay the underlayment and liner. Make sure there are no sharp objects in the ground. Lay the underlayment down before putting on a waterproof plastic sheet. Then put the trash can and storage boxes into the pit. Make the spillway. Modify IKEA's sorting box to spillway. Install the Uniseal with a 1-inch hole on the side. Insert a small section of PVC water pipe about 5 inches in length. Apply the elbow with PVC glue. Then use the clamp to connect the pipe. Trim the spillway opening to fit the spill stone. Trim the top cover of the IKEA sorting box to make a water outlet. Pick a flat stone as a spill stone. Trim the bottom edge of the sorting box to fit the spill stone tightly. Place at the top of the stream at a level or slightly downward incline of 3 to 5 degrees. Now connect the water to the tank. Turn on the remote switch power and test water. Looks like there's nothing wrong with the whole water cycle. In order to increase the strength of the plastic box to bear the stone, find the extra plastic flower pots in the garden and punch a few holes. Put into the storage box. Then put the border stones. Bury pipes and power lines. Place border stones and flat stones on each staircase. Then put the border stones around the entire stream. At the same time, cut off the excess part of the pond liner or buried it under the stones. Dig a trench beside the stream and bury the pipe in the earth. Then pour the creek stones in and out of the stream to cover pond liner and make the structure stronger. Apply isolating foam to make water flow only over the spilled stone. Shake the sealant forcefully before use. Then fill the spaces between the stones. Some creek stones can be added to achieve the purpose of adjusting the direction and size of the water flow. Finally, beautify the backyard. Make the stream look more natural. Go to a nearby beach and find some driftwoods. Place a piece over the outlet to cover up the white spillway. Transplant some of the existing plants in your yard, like banana trees, Japanese maples, or some ferns. Also can purchase the flowers and plants that a few oneself like to decorate. Like this little lamb hydrangea, Coleus and hosta are my favorites. On the whole, it's done. Turn on the power and enjoy the backyard. Please click the like button and subscribe.